What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got the 60 volt sewer on out here. I've just fitted the Supermoto tyres on there. I've got the EBMX stem riser with the stock handlebars because I want to keep them stock. I did the chain conversion, which on first thoughts is actually pretty noisy. What else? I think that's about it, man. There's just a stock bike. It's got the 58 tooth sprocket on there, and yeah, just a bit of fun. Found a nice quiet private footpath, and yeah, I'll come out, just give these little Supermotos a test, feel the grip, have a little play, and yeah, make a little video for you guys. Cheers. All right, here we go. Watch out for the honky nuts. And this chain conversion's noisy. 219, quiet? I don't think so. Let's go. Oh yeah. 60 volt power. We missed the 72 volts, that's for sure. Let's go, let's go! Going uphill this time, 68. Come on, baby, come on! Come on! That's it, I reckon. 68. 68 kilometers an hour. A bit of top speed test, okay? We cooked it. Let's have a listen to that chain conversion. Gonna have to check the 72 volt, see if it just as loud. I don't remember it being that loud. 72 volt is running the 420 chain conversion. EBMX were all out of those, so I just went with the 219. Didn't think there'd be much difference to it. It's actually meant to be a quieter chain, but not sounding like it at the moment. Maybe I've got it tension a little too tight, might have to back it off a little bit and see how it goes. Also, it is a brand new chain, so it does need to stretch a little bit too. But yeah, just see how the ride goes on. It gets quieter and the next few rides that I take this out. Back to this sketchy off-roading. The tyres do not like it. Oh yeah. They do not like it at all.